Okay, today I'm going to be showing you some cigars that I've just unboxed. And I'm also going to be opening a box of Romeo Y Julieta short Churchills. I just cracked the seal on it a few minutes ago. Okay, this is actually a tin of these weren't in tubes. Upman half Corona. If you buy these in Cuba, they are $2.80 each. Now in the tin, it's actually $3.50 each if you buy the tin. But if you buy the single sticks or boxes of 25, they're $2.80 each. And again, as I've said before, when I say $2.80, I'm talking about convertible pesos, Cuban convertible pesos, and those are pegged right to the dollar, US dollar. So that's why I say that. I've got these are all boxes of 3. The ones I'm going to show you now. This is the Hoyo de Monterrey Epicure number 2. Very nice, nice dark wrapper. Now, some of these cigars, and you can't really see it on this one very well, but some of these already have some plume where they have been aging in the inside the tubes. I just made the decision that I'd rather have the tubes open to my humidor, so I cracked the boxes open and took the tops off the tubes, and I'm going to put them back into the humidor with the top off so they can breathe. There's a lot of debate on what's the best way to do this, whether you leave them with the tubes or not, but I'm going to go with letting them have the air from the humidor. Okay, that was the Epicure number 2. This is the Epicure number 1, Hoyo de Monterrey. Another nice looking cigar. This is the Monte Cristo Petit Edmundo. If you're curious about prices, if you are curious about prices, you can check my other videos. I've got one on pricing. This is the H. Upman Magnum 46. And several of these have some plume, some spots of plume, and this is basically just where the oils from the tobacco leaf have, right there, have crystallized, come to the surface and crystallized. There's a spot right there. And the difference between mold and plume is you can wipe plume off. If you wipe it with your finger, see how that disappeared? Plume will come off. I actually like to leave it on there, so I try not to wipe it off, but for purposes of this, I'll go ahead and do that. See how that disappeared? And last is the Monte Cristo Open Regatta. A lot of good reviews on this cigar. I'm really anxious to try it. Here's another one. You can see some spots of plume on this one and this one as well, right there. Okay. Let me open this box. Box of short Churchills. Romeo Y Julieta. bands seem to be a little bit loose, but that's alright. I'm going to be taking the bands off anyway when I get them to that point. Now I'm noticing this is an imperfection in the leaf discoloration. That's not plume, it does not wipe off, and it does not mold. It's just a spot of leaf imperfection, and I honestly don't care. I'm going to enjoy smoking them anyway. Okay, well, stay tuned. I'll be posting some more videos. Thanks.